Hey everybody, welcome back to my Project 13. Thanks for coming on by and checking out this product review video. Appreciate your time and your support. I want to give a huge shout out to I-Blason. They sent me a couple cases to review for my Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra. Over on the left, we have the I-Blason drop protection dual layer rugged case with built-in screen protector, the Aries Black. And on the right, we have the Cosmo series marble case, dual layer as well, a little bit slimmer with built-in screen protector. We're going to be testing that area out to make sure that the screen protector that is built into these cases aren't going to cause any issues when trying to get into your Samsung Galaxy S20 Ultra when utilizing that functionality. So what we're going to do is look at some information really quick here. And you can read the top right there. What we're really looking at is the $17.99 that you're paying for the Aries Black. And you have another color choice. And that is going to be the purple for $19.99. So purple and black, two great color choices. And here is the Cosmo Marble for $19.99. It's a good looking case. All right, with that being said, let's go ahead and get into the packaging and we'll get a good look at what they're going to look like, not just on my S20 Ultra, but yours as well. Right, before I put the first case on, we're going to look at the Cosmo Marble. Please read the instruction manual. There is a video you can watch as well. I'll leave that link down below in the description along with the links for both of these cases from I-Blason. So yeah, if you're having some issues, please read the instruction manual, watch the video. We're now going to put the first piece to this case, the Cosmo Marble, over the top of and you can see the screen protector right there. That's going to look nice. It's very important that you go into your settings and turn on that touch sensitivity. You may have to enter in another fingerprint. Okay, it's a very simple process, easy, fast process. So if you have to do that, do it. But at this point, we're going to put this case on. I start at the bottom and I work my way up. And we have some film back here. It's a good looking case, it really is. And everything just comes together just like that. Make sure there's no gap all the way around that hard plastic polycarbonate frame. Attached to the back of the case. Got some depth there. Got a huge camera on my S20 Ultra. Want some good protection going on there. So yeah, we have a little bit of depth. All right, so what we're going to do is turn off the display, double tap. You want to actually rub the fingerprint area on the display to make sure that it adheres to the S20 Ultra display, so there's no gap in between Okay, so we're going to turn off, turn on my display. And you can see there's some issues going on there. So we'll have to go into the settings to add another fingerprint. Go down to biometrics and security. And I'm going to speed up the process. All right, we're going to turn off the display, double tap, and we should get right into the S20 Ultra, just like that. Let's do that again. Let's go ahead and test out sensitivity. And no issues going on there. Very nice. Very nice. Okay, folders. Nice. This is very important. This is probably going to be the longest part of the video, just so we can make sure that everything's working just fine. So there you go. Now let's get a good look at this case, the Cosmo series marble. You do have a little opening there up top for your speaker there. At the bottom, your second speaker on the right hand side, cut out for your USB Type-C charging port, your mic cutout. And we have a mic cutout right up top there as well. On the right, we have the power button and volume rocker. That works great. And on the left hand side, we have nothing, but that is one beautiful, beautiful case. Love that design, that marble design. And very, very grippy and solid. Very grippy and solid. Got a lot of protection on the corners to absorb shock. You have some depth there surrounding that huge camera there, cameras. But for me, even though that is plenty for basically a flat surface, I'm going to choose to go with the front. So you can see at the bottom and at the top, you have a lot of lip when setting down on a flat surface. And even if the surface is a little bit more on the rough side, wireless charging. And there we go, just like that. Okay, you can see the fingerprint area right there on the display. Totally digging that. And let's do it again. There we go. Okay, now we're going to look at the Aries Black. Okay. So we're going to rub that area, and that's going to adhere, stick to my original screen protector that is still on my S20 Ultra. And now let's go ahead and see if that works. Okay, so what we're going to do is just go ahead, put the back part of the case in. Okay, just like that, and remove that. That looks really, really nice. Got a little bit of depth there, man. I'm going to choose to go with a flat surface. If it's rough, I'm going that way. Because the depth is just ever so slight. You do have a raised area right around the trim of the back part of the case, but that's ever so slight as well. You got plenty of lip at the bottom and top. Cut out there for your speaker. Back here, we actually have a little flap covering up the USB Type-C charging port area from protection from dirt and lint, dust, especially for those of you that work outdoors in a rugged environment. Speaker cutout, mic, and yeah, your other mic right up top. Okay, so plenty of lip when setting down flat surfaces, and if the surface is a little bit rough, you should be fine. We're going to turn off, double tap, and bam. Remember, you can set as many fingerprints as you want, okay? So if you're having any issues, which you shouldn't, I got 2 screen protectors going on right here. And yeah, it's working just fine. Just fine. Very nice. Okay. And wireless charging. Okay, just like that. Very nice. Everything working great. Look at those bumpers, man. That is nice. All four corners protruding out. A lot of protection. This case is a little more on the rugged side than the Cosmo Marble. It's a little more on the sleek side, but you still have a lot of protection with both of these cases. The Cosmo Marble, the Aries Black. Follow the instructions. Like I said, watch the video. That link will be down below along with those other links for Amazon. But yeah, it's very important you follow all of that. And when you take off your screen protector, you understand that it's going to stick in that area due to the fact that it's a little sticker there adhering to the display, or, you know, whether you have the original screen protector, it's going to stick to that. But either way, just take it off really slowly and you should be fine. But man, totally digging it. And there we go. Thanks for watching, everyone. Appreciate your time. Till my next video. Hey, and one more time, huge shout out to I-Blason. Till my next video. Peace, God bless. Stay safe and healthy. I'm out.